Are you trying to find the best auto body shop in the Waco Texas Elm Mott area? If you are looking for an auto body shop in Waco's Elm Mott area, you can quit searching. Watch this auto body shop video for Waco Texas Elm Mott service. Body repair service estimate. Just got into a fender bender? Worry not, we at Auto Body Car Parts have your auto body part needs covered, since we bring all of the auto body vehicle parts that you may ever need, including a brand new fender. We pride ourselves on bringing the most diverse choice of auto body vehicle parts in the market, since our company believe that our clients should not have to worry about going to an infinite number of different stores to get all of their auto body part needs, when we can provide everything in a one-stop. The client comes first in our book, since without you there is no us to speak of. We have been in the business for 20 years in one type or one more, so we have a world's worth of experience to give on our clients. It is this vast experience that sets us apart from everybody else. Our customer service professionals at Auto Body Car Parts possess that exact same experience. Should you have any type of problem with one of your auto body vehicle parts, all you need to do is either call us directly at 1-855-579-0321 or email us, as well as let us know. At Auto Body Car Parts, the client is our number one concern. If you are not happy, then you can rest assured that we are not happy. To exemplify this, we offer a cost match assurance. If you discover any type of auto body part online from a credible retailer, then all you have to do is call or email us to let us understand. We will check out the info that you have provided, as well as if it is legitimate, we will gladly match that competitor cost, all in the name of providing you, the client, with the most satisfaction possible. This is a unique function that you would normally only discover at a traditional store. However, our company believes so strongly in our auto body vehicle parts, as well as in providing the very best service to the client, that we are offering it to you online. One more unique function that we offer at Auto Body Car Parts is the preferred client account. This is an account that provides a client with a bonus offer for being a repeat purchaser. With this account, you will get preferential treatment should a problem arise with one of your auto body vehicle parts that you bought. Once again, all of this is done to provide the most satisfaction possible to every one of our clients. Speaking of satisfaction, we have spent countless hours crafting our website to make it the very best possible location for you to make an auto body part purchase. If you have any type of comments or recommendations regarding the website, we would appreciate the comments, since we are always seeking to enhance ourselves to make your patronage even better. Keep in mind, we are right here to help you. Do not hesitate to contact us for any type of reason, from concerns regarding a specific part to problems with an existing order. You will always come first in our books. Body collision repair near my house for Waco Texas Elm Mott. Visit a local auto body shop in the Waco Texas Elm Mott area to get your truck back on the road with haste. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.